Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you your grade 8 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. You can also download this resource pack from the official site of Cantab. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. We will start our lesson from unit number 1, the farewell sermon of Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. SLOs of this lesson are: recognize and demonstrate use of certain nouns whose plural form has two meanings in some cases, like arm, limbs, arms and weapons. Some change their meaning in the plural form, like air, atmosphere, airs, pride. Now look at the page number 12 in your textbook. We have a grammar section here. Numbers, noun. Dear students, I hope you have learned the singular nouns and plural nouns, the irregular plural nouns, and the nouns which ends in with is. So here, in order to change singular nouns into plural with regular nouns, we add s. Nouns that end with s, ch, sh, x or z, we add es at the end of it to make it plural. Like how? Look at this here. Most nouns that end in ch, sh, s or x, we add es at the end to make it plural. For example, peach, peaches, brush, brushes. Look at the es here. Now f or fe, we add ves to make it plural. Look at the example here. Most nouns that end in f or fe, we change f or fe to v and add es at the end to make it plural, like leaf, leaves. We have removed the f here and added ves. Knife, knives. Knife is a singular form and the knives is a plural form. Look at this one here. Vowel plus y, we add s to make it plural. Look at here. Most nouns that end in vowel plus y, we add s to make it plural, like boy, boys, key, keys. Now look at this one here. Consonant plus y, we add ies. Look at the example. Most nouns that end in consonant plus y sound, we change y to I and add es at the end to make it plural. Like here, lady, ladies. We removed the y here and added ies. Country, countries. Now look at this one. Vowel plus o, we add s in the end to make it plural. Look at the examples here. Most nouns that end in vowel plus o, we add s to make it plural, like video, videos, radio, radios. Look at the last one here. Consonant plus o, we add es to make it plural. How? Look at the examples here. Most nouns that end in consonant plus o sound, we add es to make it plural in the end, like mango, mangoes. We have added es to make it plural. Potatoes, potatoes. An irregular plural noun is an irregular noun in the plural form. An irregular noun is a noun that becomes plural by changing its spelling rather than adding s or es to the end of the word. Let me give you some examples of irregular nouns, like women is stand for one singular women. But if we change it in a plural form, it will be changed like this. We will only change its spelling. We have added E here. Let me give you another example. Child is a singular form. Its plural will be children. Yes. Mice is a plural form and its singular will be mouse. Yes. Now look at the nouns ending in is in the end in the singular form changed to es in the plural form. Look at some examples. Nouns ending in is, singular nouns that end in is form, their plural adding es, for example. This are the singular form. Basis, it is ending with is, so we have added in its plural form es here to make it plural. Crisis, crisis. Diagnosis, diagnosis. Now dear student, look at the page number 12. We have an exercise of singular, plural and irregular nouns. Look at the section A first. Here we have 5 sentences here and 4 options for each sentence. You have to choose the right one. Look at the first one. Choose the incorrect response. You have to choose the incorrect one. Which one will be the incorrect? Yes, this is the incorrect one. Photo, photos. The right spelling of this photo is this. We have no E here. Look at the second one. Choose the noun that is always singular. Yes, furniture. This is a irregular noun. Look at the third one. Choose the irregular plural. Yes, mice. Because we have no es at the end or s. We have only c or e here. Mice is the plural form of mouse. Look at the fourth one. Choose the incorrect response. Yes, police, polices. There is no word such like a polices. Look at the fifth one. Choose the noun that is always singular. Yes, homework here. We cannot say homeworks. Look at the section B here. Change the noun in brackets into its correct plural form. Look at the first one. These person are protesting against the president. Here the person is irregular now, so we cannot change it. We cannot add anything to it. So we will carry this on like it is. Person. The women over there want to meet the manager. Here the plural form will be like this. We have added only E here. My child hate eating pasta. Children. Yes. I am ill. My foot hurt. What will be the plural form of foot? Yes, feet. Look at the fifth one. Muslims sacrifice sheep on Eid al-Adha. Yes, sheep is irregular noun, so it cannot be changed. I clean my tooth 3 times a day. Here the plural form of tooth is teeth. Look at the seventh one. The student are doing the exercise right now. Here the plural form of students are students. Look at the eighth one. The fish I bought is in the fridge. Fish is an irregular noun, so we will not change it. Look at the ninth one. The goose are swimming in the lake. The plural form of the goose will be geese. Look at the 10th one. All the men are busy working in their offices. Here, this is referring plural form. This is referring to a plural form, so we will change it by adding E instead of A here. Look at the page number 12. Some nouns have different meaning in the singular and plural form. Like air, its meaning is the mixture of gases that surrounds the earth and that we breathe. Air's affected manners, pride. We have different nouns here which have different meaning in singular form and in plural form. Dear student, I want you to read this singular and plural form of different meanings and understand it. Look at the page number 13 here. Use the following nouns in sentences of your own. Here in this page, we have the meaning of all the noun of singular and plural form. What you need to do here on page number 13, first read all the meanings of these words and use them in your own sentences. Dear students, this is also your home task from page number 5 of your unit number 1. You need to find out all the singular, plural form of verb. Dear students, this is your home task from your textbook, page number 5. You need to find out the irregular nouns from here. Just read it and underline all the irregular noun, singular और plural, both. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने सिंगुलर और प्लूरल नाउन के बारे में पढ़ा, जिसको सिंगुलर से प्लूरल नाउन में चेंज करने के हमने 6 तरीके पढ़े. यहाँ पर हमने इरेगुलर प्लूरल नाउन के बारे में भी पढ़ा और ऐसे नाउन जो आखिर में IS से पे ख़त्म होते हैं उनकी प्लूरल फॉर्म्स को भी समझा. उसके बाद हमने एक्सरसाइज की. आपने क्या करना है, इन सारी एग्जाम्पल्स को पढ़ना है जो कि सिंगुलर और प्लूरल फॉर्म में है और इनके मीनिंग्स को भी समझना है. इसके बाद आपने अपना ये टास्क कंप्लीट करना है. इन दोनों अल्फाजों को अपने अपने जुमलों में इस्तेमाल करने हैं, यहां पर अलग अलग माने समझ के. मतलब यहां पर कस्टम का आप अलग जुमला बनाएंगे और कस्टम्स का अलग जुमला बनाएंगे जो कि मीनिंगफुल हो, जिसका कोई मतलब बनता हो. फिर उसके बाद आपने क्या करना है, अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक से पेज नंबर 5 से आपने ये पैराग्राफ पढ़ना है और इसमें जितने भी इरेगुलर नाउन प्लूरल या सिंगुलर फॉर्म में है उसको अंडरलाइन करना है. आई होप कि आपको मेरा लेसन पसंद आया होगा. थैंक यू.